What can you do to help a child with autism? Early intervention is the key to deal with autism effectively. Autism is a vast spectrum, which majorly impacts the communication and social abilities of a child. Let's have a look at some of the probable ways to support a child with autism. A medical examination, speech, occupational and alternative therapy, a gluten and casein-free diet and consultation with a nutritionist or dietitian are all required. Let's have a look at the step-by-step approach that the experts recommend. Step 1. Have your child undergo a thorough medical examination, including an assessment to determine the degree of autism with which the child is impacted. Even if you find out that your child is on autism spectrum, do not panic. Majority of children are on mild to moderate autism, which can be dealt with effectively through therapies and other things explained in this video. Also, if you find out that your child have some gastrointestinal troubles and allergies, then by addressing these issues, there are good chances that some of the autism-related tantrums and behavior issues may get resolved. Step 2. Start the occupational therapy sessions for the child, for learning the necessary skills required, so that your child can do things independently. Occupational therapists work on a lot of factors, such as hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, grip, physical coordination, balancing, anger management, and a lot more things depending on the child's need. Please note that every child with autism is different and may require training in different areas. Step 3. Seek sensory integration therapy for your child. This is extremely helpful for children on autism spectrum who are extraordinarily sensitive towards light, sound, and touch. Step 4. Begin the child's speech therapy as soon as possible. Delayed or limited or no speech is a common symptom amongst children on autism spectrum. In addition to the speech therapy sessions, you should spend time with your child to introduce new words and then prompt and motivate him to speak. You can introduce the objects of daily use with the help of flashcards or pictures on mobile phones. You can also try PECS, which stands for Picture Exchange Communication System, if your child is nonverbal. The use of picture cards in this strategy may inspire kids to speak. Step 5. Some experts suggest that you should try putting your child on a gluten-free, casein-free diet that excludes barley, rye, oats, wheat, and dairy products. Many families with autistic children have had positive outcomes, but only if the diet is strictly adhered to. Consult a nutritionist or dietitian to ensure that your child is getting the essential nutrients, despite these restrictions. Step 6. Studies have shown that the children on autism spectrum can learn faster through audio-visual learning techniques. If you notice that your child is showing interest in audio-visual devices like phone, iPad, or laptops, use these devices to train him or her in the essential concepts and activities of daily life, through videos, images and interactive fun exercises and games. In many cases, this has proven to be a boon for the children on autism spectrum. You can consider trying the TEACH method as well. This program is built around visual hints, considering the fact that children with autism are visual learners. However, some autism experts believe the TEACH method tries to combine too many therapies, resulting in its dilution. Step 7. Experiment with other therapies. Most of the children on autism spectrum benefit from a combination of therapies. Some of these additional therapies that you can try for your child are music therapy, behavior therapy, acupressure, acupuncture, massage therapy, etc. Step 8. You can consider becoming trained in Relationship Development Intervention, or RDI, which suggests simple activities that parents may do at home to help your children adjust to changes and engage with others. Step 9. When your child reaches the age of 3, enroll them in school. This would give them a chance to interact with others. And you as a parent will get a clear picture of the areas of concern, so that you can focus to deal with those specific areas within the therapy sessions and trainings. Step 10. Last but not the least, stay informed on autism research. New therapies and remedies are constantly being tested and developed. I am again stressing on the fact that as a parent, it is crucial that you don't panic and follow the guidance of your doctor and therapists. Majority of children who are on mild to moderate autism have excellent chances of getting over the severe symptoms and leading a wonderful independent life, but you need to understand that it will require patience, timely therapies, and a lot of unconditional love at your end. See you for now. We will be back soon.
We will be bringing more informative stories soon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates.